In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload images to Chatgpt. Whether you're looking to enhance your interactions with visuals or simply to share an illustrative example, uploading images can really enrich the experience with Chatgpt. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to start by opening Chatgpt. Now, this might seem pretty straightforward. You can do this on any web browser by navigating to Chatgpt's website or through any app if you're using a mobile device. Once you've successfully accessed the Chatgpt interface, you're ready to move on to our next step. Next, you want to start a new chat. It's always best to begin fresh to avoid any confusion with previous conversations. This provides a clear slate and ensures your image and the associated prompt are the focal points of your interaction. You'll find an option to start a new chat usually at the top or where typical new conversation options are. Once you've done that, look for the plus icon. This is generally located in the chat interface, subtly inviting you to add new elements to your conversation. Clicking this icon is a vital step, as it unlocks more features for you, including the possibility to upload images. After clicking the plus icon, you should see an option for image uploads appear within the message input area. This option may be represented as a small image or camera icon, which signifies visual media uploads. By clicking on this button, you'll be taking another step closer to enhancing your chat with a visual component. Now comes the task of selecting your image from your device. When you hit the Image Upload button, a File Explorer window should automatically pop up, allowing you to navigate through your folders. Make sure you know the exact location of the image you wish to upload. Once you find your image, just click to select it, and it will be prepared for the upload process. With your image selected, you can now type a prompt. Your prompt should ideally be related to the image you've uploaded, whether it's a question you have about the image, a description, or even discussing what's happening in the image. Keep your prompts concise to maintain clarity in your conversation. Finally, you're all set to press enter or hit send. Sending your image along with your prompt will upload the image to the chat and initiate the interaction based on your prompt. This integrates the image seamlessly into your conversation, allowing Chatgpt to consider both text and visuals in its response. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully uploaded an image to Chatgpt, making your interactions a lot more dynamic and engaging. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to explore other exciting ways to utilize visuals when engaging with AI, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.